Auzubillahiminash-shaitanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. 7th क्लास की बच कर साइंस किताब पेज नंबर 85 पे बच्चों तो पता टॉपिक पर weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. We discussed weather, we discussed climate. Today we will try to understand adaptation. What is adaptation? Adaptation is the characteristics which are present in an animal that enables him to survive in a particular habitat. Okay, I will repeat. Those characteristics which enable an animal, which enable an organism to survive in a particular habitat, in a particular climate. That is adaptation. So to understand this, let's understand an example of a polar bear. Now dear students, this is polar bear. This polar bear is having some special characteristics. On the basis of these characteristics, he is able to survive in very cold climate, in polar regions of the world which are very cold. The temperature in winters freezes up to minus 27, rather minus 30. So under this harsh climatic condition, polar bear survives because he is having some special features, special characteristics. So these special characteristics which enable this polar bear to survive in this very harsh climate, that is his adaptation. So now let's discuss what are these adaptations. The white fur is not easily available in the snowy white background. So this polar bear, he is white in color. So this white color is not easily visible in the snowy white background. So what are the merits of this? So the merit of this is that it is prey and it is predator and prey are unable to see it. So it is predator and prey are unable to see it. So this white, therefore, this white color enables him to have the food in this very climate and to protect himself from his enemy. So the second feature is that it has two thick layers of fur. So this polar bear is having two thick layers of fur. These keep it warm in cold weather. It is obvious he is having two thick layers of fur. So these layers of fur keep it warm in this cold weather. So he is having another special characteristics. It has a layer of fat under its skin. It is having a thick layer of fat under its skin. So this thick layer of fat acts as an insulator. So it acts as an insulator. It does not allow this coldness to enter his body. The fat insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm. So this fat keeps it warm because it does not allow this cold to pass to enter in his body. So another feature of this polar bear is that it has long curved and sharp claws. It is having long curved and sharp claws. These long curved and sharp claws help it to walk on ice. Okay, because he needs to move from one place to another place in search of food. So these claws, which are curved and sharp, helps it to walk on ice. Okay, you got it. So now another feature is that it has a very strong sense of smell. It can recognize, it can smell its food from far off distance. So this helps the bear to locate and catch its prey. So these are some special characteristics which enable this polar bear to survive in this harsh climate. So we can say that all these characters are adaptation of this polar bear in this very climate which enables him to survive in this very climate. So next we will inshallah try to understand the adaptation of pigeon and other animals. Thank you very much. God bless you.